Alright, so I got another project going right now. I built this massive heap here. So I built this curing station for doing 3D minis, resin printer stuff. You know, you need a way to cure it without just setting it out in the sun. So I built this UV lamp system, but instead of just having it run while it's plugged in all the time, I built this system. So let me get it fired up here. And sorry for my shaky hands, that's just me. So built a power regulator. So it's got a 5-volt side and a 12-volt side, shared ground. Motor stepper driver, stepper. Got a reed relay here. This reed relay is going to control both the stepper and the UV lamp system. This little LED is just a, it's a mimic. It's just a mock-up for the reed. Adding a display, 4-button system that's going to have a go button, increment, decrement, and a set button. Running on an Arduino Nano. No, the display is not I2C. I don't have any right now. I just got the standard, so I'm using it, and I got space. So everything is set up, and so what you can do is you can set your time, you can set your minutes, whatever you want, and you cannot set a 0-minute setup. So we're going to set it for 1 minute. No hours. You can set up to a 24-hour day, and then we're going to hit go. And so the reed relay turned on, stepper motor is running as noted by the LEDs on the motor driver, and it will count down. Me love you long time. And if you want to interrupt it in the middle of a cycle, you hold down the go button. It's a do-over. It shuts everything off. And oops, I didn't mean to do that. And we hit go again. And we'll let this dude run for a minute. But yeah, so the reed relay is 12 volts. That's why I put a 12-volt regulator on the power board. But it's the only thing that I'm running 12 volts. I'm running everything else is 5 volts. But that little transistor, that one's a 9104. You can use an MPSA 06. And all we're doing is using it as a switch to control the ground for the reed relay, the 12 volt, to turn on and off. And let's see, we got 15 seconds left. And so it's spinning. 5. And I'm going to back up here so you can watch all of the lamps. Everything shut off. And then we are done. And you just push go to return. And you can start it right back up if you want. And you can turn it back off. So it's just, just this little setup and a whole lot of code. And I'm running it at 19 volts right now. It's pulling 41 milliamp. I'm running 19 volts because I'm going to use an old laptop power supply that I had, which is pulling. So the entire setup with everything running pulls about 1.3, almost 1.3 amp. When it's in the off state, obviously 41 milliamps. It's not doing much, even when it's running. So we'll start everything up. But the lamps, without the lamps attached, we're running 317 milliamp. So, and the lamp system running you know, I get 800 milliamp more. So, but the laptop power supply, which, you know, I'm going to use this little plug, and I'm going to actually 3D print a base for it. But laptop power supply is 3 amp. That'll handle a little over 2 amp, that regulator system. So everything works. It works great. And when I get done, I'll post another video. And I know I haven't posted a video lately. I haven't really had any projects that I've completed other than an arcade system that I built for my son. So, but yeah, that's it. And like I said, I'll probably post it on Instructables, the finished box and all the instructions with the code and diagrams and everything, because I know this is a mess right now. But that's it. Thanks for watching.